Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. If you are new here and you have yet subscribed to our channel, please do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video you'll be notified as soon as possible. If you are here, you want to learn how to program, how to develop application, how to develop your own website, how to code and program, this is the right place for you. Please do your best to stay tuned to the end of the video. I hope you will not regret it after the end of this video. Without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video. So today we will be learning something called Python slicing strings. Now we already learned what a Python string is all about. So today we want to know how you can slice a Python string. So what do we mean by slicing a Python string? A simple means returning certain characters of a string in Python. So if you want to return any kind of characters in a certain string in Python, we use the slicing syntax to return that characters. So we will be learning that in this video today. Please do your best to stay tuned to the end. I will advise you not to skip, because you might miss the important steps which will help you understand the video very well. Please do your best to watch the video through till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. As we've rightly said, Python slicing strings. Slicing. You can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the end index, separated by a colon, to return a part of the string. Now example. In this example below, they say get the characters from the position 2 to the position 5, not included. Now in this string they say hello world. If you are counting the characters, we start with 0, not 1. So the first character, or the position of the first character, is 0, followed by 1 in that order. So now let's count to see how we can get the characters from the second position to the fourth position, because they said not included, meaning we should not include the fifth position. So we'll count from the second to the fourth position. So the first character H, which is 0, and then the second one E, which is in position 1, and then L is the second position. So we are starting from the first L and counting to the fourth position. So the first L is the second position, and then the second L is the third position, and then the O is the fourth position. So this is the characters we are looking out for. So the two L's and the O are the characters they are looking out for. So now let's see their solution to see whether we are right. Now you can see in this solution here, let's run this code and see what we'll get. The answer will appear in the down below. Yeah, you can see here the two L's and the O are the characters they are looking for. So this shows that we are right. Now let's go to the next thing. The next thing is that slice from the start. So you can also slide from the end. So we are checking out how we can slice from the start. By leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first characters. The first character. Example here, get the characters from the start to the position 5, not included. Now, not included means we shouldn't include the fifth position, as we learned already. Now here, what they are trying to tell us is that we should start from the first character, which is 0, to the fourth position. So just as in the above example, we count the first character is H, which is 0, and then E is E is the second character, which is in position 1. Then position 2 is the first L, position 3 is the second L, position 4 is the O. So these are the characters they are looking out for. Let's see the solution. You can see here, run it so that you can see it clearly below here. You can see the characters here, they say hello. So these are the characters they are looking out for. Now let's check the end, slicing to the end. Now slice to the end. By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. Let's see the example here. Get the characters from position 2 and all the way to the end. In this example, they are asking us to start with the second position throughout to the rest of the characters. So we start with the second position, which is the first L, and then we add the rest, which is the second L, the O, the comma, W, the other O, L, so on and so on. So now let's see the example or the solution here. Let me run it so that you can see it clearly. Yes, you can see the first L is the second character throughout to the rest of the characters. So this is what they are looking out for. So we are right here. Let's check out the next thing, negative indexing. Use negative indexes to start the slide from the end of the string. There's example down here below. Get the characters from O in the word world or the string world in position 5. Position -5, 2, but not included. D in the world, the word world in position -2. Here, what they are trying to tell us is that we should start with the -5 position and end at the -2 position. So let's see the solution here. Now, if you are counting the negative characters, we start from the right to the left side. Unlike the positive positions, we start from the left to the right hand side. So this one we start counting from the right to the left hand side. So now, if you are starting the exclamation mark is the 0 position, then -1 is the D, then -2 will give us the L, and then -3 is the R, continuing like that. So in the example, they said we should start with, we should get the characters of -2 and -5. So the -2 position in the string or in the word world is the first L in the world word. So the first L is the -2, then we continue like that. R is the -3, and then O is the -4. So this is how we will do it. Now let me run it so that you can see it clearly. You can see, so this is what they are looking out for. Now, this is what I would like to share with you, or this is what we are learning for today. So now, if you have any questions or anything you want to clear your mind with, please don't forget to share your comment in the comment section down below in the video. And also, if you are new here, please do your best to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you.